Hey, welcome to the N2MDX channel. Today we're going to talk about the STLs I created for the Hermes Lite 2. A lot of people have been asking about would I sell them, and I said, okay, so we'll give an option where you can go to my site and I'll build it, which we're doing very well, by the way, with them. They sell like hotcakes. They're doing great. We sell a lot of the HL2 plates and the spiders because a lot of people don't know how to use 3D printers, and so we make it easier for those folks. For the people that are more inclined to do so and have their own 3D printer, well, I got an option here for you for $14.95. The set price for the, as you could see here, well, this is my Hermes Lite 2. This is with the spider protectors, the front and back plates. This is for the non-plus model. You will need the screws, which are in the description with the spider protectors. You can get them on Amazon. You could put whatever type of bolts, color bolts, whatever you want to mix and match. So you're going to go right over to my website. The HL2 store is where I have all the stuff for sale that I design. And then if you want to design them yourself, you can head over to the STL shop. There's a new tab here. And right now we have the price for $14.95, and that covers the digital download to get the files for the HL2 front and rear STL files. Again, it's not the plus model, it's just the regular standard Hermes. And then if you want the spider protectors for top and bottom, $14.95 digital download. You can only download it once, so make sure you set a folder on your desktop, and that's it. Okay. I use Creality, so if you have any issues with these files, any STLs, they should work on your 3D printer, but let me know. And, we'll see what we can do for you. All right, so they're on the website. Take a look. And at everybody's request, they wanted that to come up with the digital download that they can purchase and print themselves. So here it is. I'm going to be adding more STLs as we go on. I got some other stuff I'm designing, so I'll keep you posted on that as well. Put out some more videos on the newer STLs and different enclosures and other doodads for the SDR stuff. So, and also different types of antenna things we're going to be building. So that's pretty much it for now. This is just a short video, like I said, just letting people know we got the STLs out there. We might have free ones in the future too, like little free ones I'll throw out there that people can tinker with. But the ones I spend a lot of time on, I do charge for. So, but there's no tariffs, I promise. And I believe I took the tax off. There's no tax. It should be just straight $14.95 when you check out. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and let people know, hey, you can now print out your own STLs. Thank you so much, guys. N2MDX 73.